In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch movies for free on YouTube. So if you don't know, YouTube actually has an area where you can watch full-length movies for free. It's really easy to do. All you need to do is go onto YouTube, and you want to go to that small little navigation button or the little icon with what looks like a compass at the top left-hand corner. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to have a lot of menus here. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the Movies and TV option. And then once this loads up and you're here, what you want to go through is hit Free with Ads. And then this is pretty much it. As you see, I started the movie Space Jam here, but you can go through and watch all of these movies totally for free with ads on your actual YouTube app. You can share it to your TV. Doesn't really matter. You can go through and browse certain channels and stations for a fee, but it's really simple and really easy just to go ahead and watch movies totally for free on your YouTube app.